Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change text font size in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option, and here you will find this Edit PDF option. Select. Now click on this text and select your text you want to change font size. Change this text font size, and here you will find this font size option. I'll make it 14 and see this font size already changed. Also, I'll change this text font size. I'll make it 16 and see this font size already changed. Also, you can change font style, font color. Here also I'll change font size. I'll make it 20 and see this. Also, move this text box. Yeah, this is. In this way you can change specific text or all of this text font size. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.